The scrape action is pretty cool. It lets you extract text from inside any element, save the text to a temporary variable, and use that variable in another rule. Let's demonstrate. Let's say I want to extract the heading inside the h1 tag here. I want to extract this text. So CSS selector is h1. We're going to save the text inside this element to a variable called heading. So notice the syntax. It's similar to these variables, except instead of starting with the @ sign, you reference it with the underscore. Okay, so we're going to use this variable in a new rule now. I'm going to autofill this field, full name, with that variable. Full name. Remember the new syntax using the underscore like that. So when we reload this page, full name should be filled with the heading like this. Cool, right? Until next time.